Okay, let's continue with our attendance sheet. So now we are going to insert some formula here, whereby whenever we want to know the number of male that are present, it will only count for the male, and then if you want to know only female, also it will count for the female here. Exactly. So we are going to use the count ifs. So you select this cell and you bring your equal sign. Before that, let's do something. Let's freeze this area. So you go to view, then you click here, then you say what? Freeze. Okay. So you freeze the panel. So you see that you can scroll up and then this place remain the same. Okay. So you bring your equal sign, then you type count ifs, this one. So double click on it too. Okay. We select this side, then we drag it. The last person here, then we bring comma, and then we want to only calculate for females, so you bring your quotation marks and then type male, then you close it, then you bring comma again. Then we want to know the number of males that are present, so that one also will be D. Since we have C5, so D5 to D60. Then you bring your comma, you open your quotation mark. You want to know the number of males that are present. So if the person is absent, it will not calculate, or it will not count. So P, then you close it with your quotation mark, and then you close it with the bracket, then you press enter. Okay. So you do the same thing for the female. So let's copy this. Then we paste it here, and then we change this to female. To female. Then okay, then we press enter again. So here also it will only calculate for females that are present. Okay. Okay, so let's do something. Let's drag and see something. We are going to do something to it. Let's drag and see. Okay. So when we drag, you see, let's select the first one. Okay, and then let's look at the second one. You see that this one is D5 to D60. Then we want here to remain the same. We want it to remain the same. And then so this is what we want, the gender column to remain the same throughout the whole function. If we drag across, we want it to remain the same. See that this is 13 to D5, but we want it to remain the same. So let's do absolute reference. So let's undo this one, and then we are going to select this side. We select this side up to here alone, and then we hit on F4. We hit on F4, so that when we drag across the cell alone, it will remain the same. It will remain the same. Right. Okay. So let's hit enter. And then now we can select and then drag across it. Okay. So let's see that it's the same thing over here. It's the same thing. Okay, and then here also to change its cell. Right. Okay. Then let's do the same thing for the female. So let's select this one, and then we copy it, and then let's replace it here. Okay, and then we change this to female. So female. Then we press enter. Then we can now select and then drag across. Okay. Now let's look at the tutor. The tutor, we are going to use the sum function. So bring your equal sign and to type in sum. And you select the range across it. Then you close it. Then hit enter. Okay. Let's delete this. We are not going to use this one, so let's ignore this. Then you do the same thing to the female. So sum function, select, drag across it, close the bracket, and then you press your enter key. Okay. So that is that for the week. So we are going to do the same thing for the rest of the week. going to do the same thing for the rest of the row. So what we do is we select this one, we copy it, then we paste it here. Paste it here. Make sure that it has changed to 8. So we have K5 to K60. So this is K60 here, and then this is the K5. Okay, then we cannot drag across and drag across it. The total. So let's do it for the rest, so that when we finish we come and add the totals. We come and add the totals. So you do the same thing for the female. You select and then copy it, click here and then paste it there. Then we select and drag across. We do the same thing. Copy. So the third week you paste. Do the same thing for the female. Copy and paste. Control X, SC to copy, Control V to paste. Then you drag across. Right. So you do the same thing for the rest of the week. Do the same thing here. You select, you copy, paste, drag across. Females, select, copy, select here, paste, drag across. Okay, so do the same thing.
Eh? What did you know? So
so let's do the totals. So equal to some function. Then we select and then we close it. Press enter. Okay, let's do some try and error and see. Let's select this one. Let's copy it and then paste it here and see if it will work. Okay, so let's see. CX. Okay, CX. Okay, and then here D. Let's see. Is it DB? Okay, DB. Okay. Yeah, DB. So it has worked. Okay, it has worked. Let's try here so also and see if it will work. So we copy, then we paste it here and see. Okay, so that's that. So you copy one of the total and then you paste it. Okay, so let's do that one. bring your equal sign, then select this one, plus 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 press enter. Okay. Then you do the same thing for the female also. You do the same thing for the female. So equal to okay, then you press enter. Okay, so that's it. So now let's check something here. Okay, we have here for, let's see, okay, we have 2 here, 2 male here, and then here also we have 2, so it's good. That's good. That's 4. Another way you can do for the female is you can copy this one and then paste it here, and it will work. Now let's calculate the total. Let's calculate the total. So we are using the sum, equal to sum, then we select this and then drag it here and then we close it, then hit on enter. Okay, so this is how develop. We are done with the attendance register. can watch and then design the beautiful one for your project. Okay. We will end here and then continue with our tutorial in the next video. Thank you for watching.